Yes. I'll come to you next. Yes. Right. Good. What's your name? Kanika. Sit. I'll take this and then I'll come to you. Related to this? Yeah.
At this point of phase, how will you describe the term success to us?
Success. Right. Good. What's your name? Sarfaraz. Sit. So Kanika and Sarfaraz both have raised a question related to success. What is success? What do we mean by a successful person? Let's try to understand. First thing, when I say that I want success, what am I saying? When I say I want success, we are looking at the statement carefully, closely. I want success. What am I saying? If I want success, then surely I do not. Am I right? Am I right? If I want success, then surely I am not successful right now. Remember, all success that you want is a success of future. All success that you want is a success of future. When you say that I want success, what you mean is that at some point in the time ahead, I will get something which will make me feel successful. Am I right? That is how you think? That at some point in future, I will get something which will make me feel successful. By wanting success, you have already declared yourself to be a failure right now. Have you not? You are saying that this is where I am. Sarfaraz, this is where I am and I am unsuccessful. This is where I want to be in the future. And if I get here, then I will be successful. We do not know what this point is, where does it lie, and whether you will get here. All that is uncertain. But what is certain is that you have labeled yourself to be a failure right now. How many of you want to declare that right now I am a failure? How many of you are interested in doing that? That right now I am a nobody, an unworthy being, a failure. How many of you want to say that? But then, how many of you want success? All of you want success without understanding what wanting success means. To want success is to say that I am a failure. I will be successful and I am a failure. I am a failure, I want to be successful. I am a failure, I want to be successful. Now, is that a pleasant state of mind to live in? Is that a pleasant state of mind? I am a failure, I want success. And the more hungry and thirsty for success you are, the bigger a failure you have declared yourself in the present. Now, when are you living? In the future or in the present? When are you living? In the present. How can you live? How can you live joyfully after declaring yourself to be a failure in the present? And that is the reason why we are so bored, why our faces are often so long, Why we keep feeling frustrated and tense? Because all of us have labeled ourselves to be a failure. And it doesn't feel good, right? It doesn't feel good. How will you feel writing down 10 times in your copy, I am a failure, I am a failure, I am a laggard, I am unsuccessful? How will you feel writing this down 10 times? Yes? You will feel bad? How many of you will feel bad? But do you feel bad writing down, I want success? You don't feel bad writing down, I want success, because you do not understand what you are saying. Because you do not look carefully at it. You have the power to understand. Remember, you have the diamond. You have the power to understand, but you do not use that power. And is the power of any use if I do not apply it? Is the medicine of any use if I do not eat it? Are my eyes of any use if I do not open them? Are my eyes of any use if I do not open them? Is my mind of any use if I do not use it? How many of us really use the mind? We don't. So the diamond is there, but we have forgotten that it is to be used. We are just running after success without understanding what this race means. Without understanding what this race means. You are good, already good. And the present moment itself changes into the future. Time is like a river, continuously flowing. In the present moment, if you are good, if you are fine, if you are attentive, then the future will take care of itself. Most of us are very afraid of the future. Afraid of examinations, afraid of unemployment, afraid of what we call as the challenges of life. And everybody is telling you, life is a great challenge. Come to us, we'll prepare you to face that challenge. And so you are afraid. Deep within, a fear has taken roots that life is bad. I must fight life. I must be successful. Life is not bad. Life can become very bad if we live like an idiot. Then life can become very bad. Otherwise, life is beautiful, very, very beautiful. You have not come here to suffer. Life is beautiful, life is enjoyable. But only if you live to your potential. All of us have great potential. Life will become a suffering if we do not live to that potential. And living to that potential is very easy. It's not difficult. Do not think that any great effort is needed. Little, simple attention, some understanding, opening of the eyes, looking at our daily lives. Only that much is needed, and everything will be all right. Leave the future, forget success. Success will come by itself. The future will take care of itself. You be successful right now. Forget the success of future. What does it mean to be successful right now? What does it mean to be successful right now? To be successful right now means to be in love with life. It means I am joyful. I am celebrating. I do not require 2 or 4 festivals in the entire year. Every day is a festival for me. Life is a big party for me. And I am successful right now. You know what the thing about life is? If you feel rich, life gives you more and more. If you feel poor, life gives you nothing. The life does not know any pity. Those who are already rich, those who are already celebrating, life gives them more and more reasons to celebrate. And those who are hungry and thirsty, life keeps them more and more hungry and thirsty. Hungry and thirsty for what? For what? Success. Life says you want to run after success, now keep running. Keep running your entire life. Keep running. And those who say, I am already successful, life gives him more and more joy, more and more reasons to celebrate, more and more enjoyment. Every day is holy. Every night is Diwali. Otherwise, I am waiting for Diwali to come. Then I will be successful. Let Diwali come. I am preparing for Diwali. Don't prepare. The moment is right now. The party is right now. Today is the festival. Don't wait for New Year to come. We will celebrate only on New Year's Eve. How can I say I love you today? Valentine's Day is still so many months away. Don't wait. We keep waiting for success, for everything. This is the moment when you are alive. If you are listening, listen fully. This listening fully itself is celebration. Those who are listening deeply, they know what I am saying. You listen fully, and there is a feeling of completeness. There is a feeling of celebration. When you will go out after this session in some time, half an hour, then look at the skies. And when you look at the sky, look fully. Don't just look at it, oh, another day, another type of sky. It's been raining since 2 months. What's new today? There is something new today. You are alive today. That's what is new. Every moment is new. Understanding, living every moment is the celebration of life. Do not miss it. Have you ever looked closely at the trees in your campus? Ever? Seriously? Or have you just said, oh, there are so many trees everywhere, there are few more trees in the campus? I ask you, do you really look closely even at the face of your parents? Or do you just say, oh, same mama, same papa, same home, what is there to look at? Do you really look at them? Do you really look at their face? Do you really look into their eyes? Do you? Do you find time to really talk to them, connect to them deeply, intimately? Or is it just a routine sort of living? Mama, prepare breakfast for me. Papa, give me some money. And some general casual gossip, chit chat, and that's all. Do you really find time to have a heart-to-heart conversation? That's what partying is all about. That's what celebration is all about. Do not wait for a particular day. That particular day I'll talk to my mother. Which particular day? When I'll get the degree. Then I'll go and show her, today Ma, I am successful. And then I'll tell my younger brother, मेरे पास माँ है. माँ आज भी है तुम्हारे पास. But you are waiting for the day when you will be successful. I'll become a good son of my father only on the day when I get a good job. When I get a good job, then I'll be successful. No, don't wait. Today you sat in this session. Now go and tell them, today was a great day. I enjoyed. Why wait for the day of placement that day I'll go and talk to parents? Today itself is a great day, and tomorrow is a great day, and day after tomorrow will be a great day. Every day is a great day, provided you live it. If you don't live it, then every day is a dead day. So who is a successful person, Kanika? Everybody has the potential to be successful right now. But you are right now successful only if you are fully alive right now. Fully awake right now. Fully attentive right now. Not if you are sleeping. Not if you are gossiping. Not if you are distracted. Then you are missing the party. Yes? Do not live at the surface. Go deep into it. Do you really know your friends well? Seriously? There would be so many of us who would not be fully acquainted. If fully is too big a word to use, deeply acquainted with their friends, even with their best friends. You may hang around with your friend, have fun with him, joke around, but do you really know your friend? Really? Do you really know yourself? To know anybody else, you have to first know. In the coming months, you will do an activity called Who Am I? Watch out. Exciting? Who am I? Yeah? Don't wait for that. Again, you are looking towards the future. Who am I is simple enough. Look at your daily life. How you enter the college, how you sit in the sessions, how you take your meals, what do you do in the evening, how do you spend your nights, how busy are you on the phone, what do you really talk about on the phone, how you harass your boyfriends and girlfriends, how you are jealous and insecure, often, not always, how you waste your time, how you miss out on opportunities, how you don't dance when it's time to dance. How many of you dance fully, freely? Good. How many? And what about the rest? Sir, we watch. नाचना गाना अच्छे लोगों का हम थोड़े ही है, इनको नाचने दो, हम देखते हैं. Can't dance? Can't dance? And you ask me, how can I be successful? You cannot dance. And you are going after success. Seriously? You can't dance. When you come to do your role plays, see how inhibited you are. And you are asking for success. This moment is so rotten and you are asking for success in the future. Take care of this moment. Take care of this moment. The rottenness of this moment will not go away by dreaming of the future. If I am sick right now, when should I take the medicine? Right now or in the future? Do it right now. Dance today, enjoy today, learn today, read today. Do not dream about the future. Dreams are a good escape. Dreams mean I will not do it today, it will happen sometime later. Do not dream, live. We are talking of opening your eyes. Dreams means that your eyes are closed. Don't dream, live. But that's scary. Huh? Some of you are already afraid. What is this man talking? Living, that's the most dangerous thing. We can be hurt. There is a danger in living. What? You can die. There is safety in death. Why? Because you cannot die. Once you are dead, you cannot die. But living is so dangerous. Why? Huh? There is a danger of death. It can happen anytime. That is why we are afraid to live. So that is our logic of in life. Do not live because living can lead to death. Die right now so that you don't have to die. Wonderful logic. Become dead today so that you don't have to die. Living is dangerous because living means you can die anytime. What kind of mind do we have that is always looking at success? You cannot walk straight, you cannot talk straight. When the moment comes, you cannot speak. When the occasion comes, you do not enjoy, and you are talking about success in the future. Do you understand? Are you with me? Right now, be successful right now.